Hi guys, let's jump into today's Samsung problem. Have you ever had your phone act like it's possessed? You touch the call app, messages, or even the camera, but instead of opening, it sends you straight to a specific web page in Chrome. You can't use any of your apps, and even restarting the phone doesn't work. Most people think they have to factory reset, but resetting sucks. You lose your data and your setup. Don't do it. I have a simple fix that will save your phone and your files. Here is the simple fix to save you from this nightmare. First, go to Settings and navigate to Apps. In the top right corner, touch the three dots menu. Select Reset App Preferences and hit that Reset button. Now, here's the secret. Touch your Home button. You'll see a prompt asking you to select a home app. Right there is your problem. You'll see a fake downloader app acting as your home launcher. That is why your phone is opening web browsers instead of your apps. To fix it, select One UI Home, the original Samsung launcher, and make sure you select Always. This instantly resets your phone's behavior and stops the spammy ads. But we aren't done yet. This is the most important step. We must remove that malicious app. Go to your apps list, find that fake downloader acting as the launcher, and uninstall it immediately. Done and done. Your phone is now back to its original state. No resetting required, just a simple settings fix. So, why did this happen? It's a lesson in security. Every time you install an app, you must use the original source like the Play Store. When you download from unknown sources, those apps can gain access to your privacy, control your phone's behavior, and hijack your launcher to force-feed you advertisements. Stay away from fake downloaders. Now your apps are back to normal and your phone is clean. If you found this fix helpful, subscribe to the Wubsh Tech channel and hit that notification icon. I'll be bringing you more smartphone repair techniques every time. Thanks for your time, thanks for your support, and have a great time.